Hey everyone, welcome back to Drop Tech. Today, we're getting our first real glimpse at something huge, Apple's long-awaited foldable iPhone. It's finally here, and honestly, it looks amazing. The video, originally shared by Jay's Techin X, gives us a sneak peek, and it almost doesn't feel real. Apple's first foldable device has arrived, and it's exactly what you'd expect: premium, futuristic, and just straight up cool. The 7.8-inch OLED display? Absolutely stunning. What really stands out is how smooth it looks, no visible crease at all. It opens up effortlessly, turning from a regular iPhone-sized phone into what basically feels like a compact iPad right in your hands. Apple's build quality is next level, and it shows. The titanium frame gives it that strong yet classy finish, and the hinge is so refined. It's clearly been engineered with precision. It just screams Apple from every angle. Under the hood, it's rumored to be powered by the upcoming A20 chip and backed by 12 GB of RAM. So yeah, it's not just a pretty face. This thing is going to be a powerhouse, perfect for gaming, multitasking, editing, whatever you throw at it. The rear camera setup features dual 48-megapixel lenses, and they look as sharp as they'll probably shoot. On the front, you've got 12-megapixel sensors both on the main screen and the cover screen, meaning your selfies and video calls will look clean, crisp, and professional. Now here's something interesting. Apple might be replacing Face ID with Touch ID. But not just any Touch ID, it could be built into the power button. That move makes sense if Apple wants to keep the foldable slim and still secure. The outer screen measures around 5.5 inches, which is ideal for quick tasks like checking messages, browsing notifications, or handling calls. You won't always need to open the main display, which adds to the practicality. Battery-wise, the iPhone Fold could feature a 4,700 mAh battery, and it's expected to easily last a full day, even with heavy use. Whether you're streaming, scrolling, or switching between apps, you're covered. In terms of connectivity, Apple's going all in. Expect full support for 5G, Wi-Fi 7, Bluetooth 6.0, and UWB. This device is future-ready, and then some. What's really impressive is just how clean and seamless the folding experience looks. No creases, no weird bumps, just a smooth fold every time. Apple isn't just joining the foldable space. They're aiming to set the bar with design, polish, and performance. Rumor has it that production might begin in late 2025, with an official launch window in late 2026. And yep, the price will be premium, somewhere between $1,800 and $2,500. But when you look at what this device offers, it's hard to say it's not worth it. This isn't just another iPhone. It could be the future of the iPhone line entirely. If it dropped today, would you switch to the foldable iPhone? Let me know in the comments. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed the video, give it a thumbs up, hit that subscribe button, and I'll see you in the next one. Peace out.